Another dua, Allahumma hdini wa saddidni. Oh Allah, guide me and make me adhere to the straight path. The Prophet ﷺ taught this dua to Ali radiallahu anhu. And he said to him that when you mention guidance, meaning when you say ihdini, keep in mind the straight path. And Ya Allah, guide me to the straight path, along the straight path, on the straight path, until the end. And he said, when you mention saddidni, then keep in mind sadad as-sahm, the straightness of the arrow. Meaning, when you shoot an arrow, you want the arrow to reach its target, right? To hit the mark. So just like that, you ask Allah that, Ya Allah, make me straight on the right path, that I do the right thing. I make the right choices. I use the right words. For example, in speech also there's sadad. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, قُولُوا قَوْلًا سَدِيدًا. Say words which are correct, straight, correct, not wrong. So, just like that, our actions are in need of sadad, of straightness. For example, you cook something and you misread a step, you misunderstand a step, and of course, you don't follow it. So then what happens to the final product? It's not as it was supposed to be. And just like that, if we are praying salah and we don't pray correctly, then we're missing the mark. Our salah is not proper. So here we see that we're asking Allah, saddidni, keep me straight, make me adhere to the straight path, give me sadad, correctness in my actions, in my words, in all of the choices that I make.